So, what do you reckon it weighs? I reckon it only weighs about 50, 60 kilos.
Yeah, 55 kilos, yeah.
Let's carry that from over there. And we're going to install this bad boy. So what do we got here, Benny? We got the Genoa.
We're going to put the Genoa up on the new furlers.
Inside or outside?
Outside. Outside one.
Front one. Big one. You hear that? The inside one's a jib. Nothing like a morning in Rose Bay.
Le feeder.
The feeder. Oh yeah, straight up the centre slide. Yeah. Yeah, right. And what do you use? One of these halyards to pull it up?
No, it just sits here, it just helps the sail feed into the track. This sole job is just to feed the sail.
Oh yeah.
Can you get one of those little rated D shackles?
So we've got two halyards here.
Yeah, just one of the long ones we got.
Let me hook it onto this. That slides up all the way to the top. 22 metres away. Easy work this morning, easy work. Almost there. Yeah. Yeah. Hang on, Tim. Stop, stop.
Stop.
Right, easing. I got that tension now, Benny. Furl it, baby. That's all yours, Benny. Oh, we've got a little storm sail out.
We've been there before.
That looks good, bro. It's nice and tight.
Yeah, the brand new sun cover and all.
Yeah, bro.
Still got some life in the old girl yet.
You should have gone pussy pink. Or butthole brown. Oh, look at that. Stop it, like a massive cock.
Yep.
Oh yes, that's inside the handrail.
Yeah. Got to sit like that.
So these two lines here, this line here, and there's another line that will be attached over the other side. They're the lines that you use to pull it out either side depending on which way the wind's going and you're heading. Is that correct, Benny? And what are they called?
Jib blocks.
Jib blocks. Blocks.
One of these runners.
Runners, yeah, not like Usain Bolt though. Genoa, on. Boom. In it.
In it.
There she goes.
We are in yeah, hard to pull out.
No, it's going. It's going. There you go, so she's all the way out. So we do this, like this. And then how's that, Cap? Tighten. Oh, she's about to invert. That's not too much out. She's flip it out up the top. A little bit more. Come on, baby. Nah, she's gonna flog. I'll just bring her in a bit tighter. I reckon just to that stay. There we go. We sailing? Sailing, baby. Sailing.
Like just a downhaul pulley.
Yeah.
You fucking sick.
Sailing. Just testing the Genoa, just put it on, and she's full of wind. Out of gear, cruising. Wind power, baby, wind power. Yeah. Oos. Oh, beautiful job. I'm not going to have to send you off the plank today. Oh, mate, how good does that pack up? Hey?
Used to.
Wow, dude. That was so quick.
How smooth is that?
So smooth.
Before you pull back on that, I think. Reverse. Look at this.
Yep. Just like that.